Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Nina from the Gig Twins. Make sure if you haven't to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you like this video for more content. Alright, so today is March 20th, 2021. This year is already going by pretty quickly. I had a really good Christmas break on Outschool. Spring break is coming up, so I'm hopefully it's gonna be really popping for spring break. Looking forward to that. I just wanted to come on here and discuss with you all how to set up a class for those just starting or for those who just struggle with that in general. And it's something that I I really tried hard at in the beginning. I had a lot of trial and error. Like if you look at my classes, go into my archive classes here, I have so many classes that I don't even offer just because they just didn't book or I just wasn't feeling them, whatever. Anyways, I wanted to show you how I set up my class in just step-by-step process here. So I just go to classes. I add a class. For example, let's say this class is a drawing class. Maybe we will be drawing. Let's see. Let's draw Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo, one of my favorite childhood characters. Let's draw Scooby-Doo. Let's see, and I would put in this one time class learners will pick up their drawing utensils and have fun Scooby from, wait, is it called Scooby? Wait, what's it called? What's the actual, the mystery? What is the show called? Hold on. What is the actual show called? I know it's not called Scooby. It's called Scooby and the Gang, or why am I blanking on this? Let's see. I think I'm thinking of Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? Ugh, this is killing me. I feel like it's not. What is it called? Someone help me. Anyways. Anyways, in this one-time class, learners will pick up their drawing utensils and have fun drawing Scooby-Doo. Let's just keep it like that. Short, sweet, simple. All right, so let's see. They've added a learner summary recently. I haven't been doing this yet, but I definitely probably will be adding to this anything that helps push my class further up in the algorithm when parents are searching. All right, this is obviously arts, one-time class, and there's plenty in the help center that will tell you about all of these types of classes that you can offer. I typically stick to one time. I do have two sections that are ongoing, but all right, so from here, what I will do is, since this is a drawing class, the order depends. Sometimes I'll go ahead and fill in my description, or I'll go ahead and start editing my my thumbnail. So today I guess we will do the description and the course format first. All right, so for this age drawing, I like to do about 6 to 10. All right, don't want to exceed 5 years. So moving on, for this kind of class, I would do about 10 max, minimum of 3, because if I have 2, sometimes one will cancel, and sometimes parents don't realize their students gotta be the only one in class, and they're not too happy with that. So I like to do at least 3. And the course for this drawing class, 30 minutes long. I do have 1 or 2 45-minute long classes, but I typically like to stick to half an hour. All right, so we're gonna do this description together. So I would put something like, what will be taught? Okay, in this class, learners will draw the fun and quirky character Scooby-Doo. Learners will also have the opportunity to discuss some of their favorite characters from Scooby, or whatever it's called. We're just gonna call it Scooby for now because I know there's a mystery gang. Oh, is it just called Scooby? Let's watch Scooby. Okay. Anyways, in this class, learners will draw the fun and quirky character Scooby-Doo. Learners will also have the opportunity to discuss some of their favorite characters from Scooby-Doo. The Scooby-Doo show. The Scooby-Doo show, whatever. All right. Learners will follow step by step as we draw together. Learners who struggle with free draw are able to, let's say, drawing sheets, coloring sheets. Coloring sheets are available for learners who struggle with free draw or prefer, or just struggle with free draw, whatever. All right, so far I need a few more characters to reach 500. All right, so in this class, learners will draw the fun and quirky character Scooby-Doo. Learners will also have the opportunity to discuss some of their favorite characters from the Scooby-Doo show. Learners will follow step by step as we draw together. Coloring sheets are available for learners who struggle with free draw. I'll put that like towards the end. So I'm going to go back up here and say, at the end of our class, learners are encouraged to share their work. Can't type today. Their work of art with the rest of the class. And then, let's see. Please refer to the supply list. And I might put something like, let's get artsy. In this class, learners will draw blah, 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 da, 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 da. The end of our class, learners are encouraged to share their work of art with the rest of the class. Coloring sheets are available. Please refer to the supply list. We're so close. We just need 500. All right, so let's see. We could say, who doesn't love this classic character? There we go. All right. Alright, skipping on down. I always put another class, maybe a drawing one for this one, something next that we can suggest to parents. I'll come down here, skipping. I really don't do much of the optional stuff unless it's really necessary. And no other apps. Learner supply list. This is where I will put crayons, or just drawing utensils and paper are required. Can't draw without them unless we're going to do digital. I've had one or two do digital, but it's pretty rare. Alright, I usually take this and I'll add a little cute picture of Scooby somewhere. Alright, I set mine at about 10 per learner for a drawing class. Maybe 9 if it's just starting and I want it to gain momentum. Alright, so we're almost done. Description's done. All this is done. Now it's time to get an image. So I'm just going to go to Google and let's head over to the Google Images here. Scooby-Doo. Alright, Scooby-Doo here. I'm going to find a picture of Scooby. You can. You really want to go to Settings and make this our tools and go to Creative Commons license to see what's available. There's a lot available that you can use for free. Alright, so let's see. What do I like? I like the Scooby with the color behind it, so I'm just gonna save this picture on my laptop. I will then go into PicMonkey, an app I've been using for years, and this is what I will do. I will come in here and edit my Scooby. But first off, let me go back because I don't have my let's see, what I normally do is, let me go back here because I will just edit a copy of what I used to have for a previous class. But to go from scratch here, what you can do is take any image that you have of yourself and you can go online and remove the background. Just type in remove background and you can turn your picture into a PNG, which is a picture that doesn't have a background. Alright, it's invisible. So no matter what I do back here, I can pick a color and my image will still be on top. Alright, as you can see here. So that's not a cute color. Alright, so let's do blue. I'll typically do white. Maybe I'll do color sometimes. Depends on the colors of like what I'm doing. So I feel like Scooby's pretty colorful. Alright, so what I'll do here is I like to put myself in the corner. And let me move myself so you can see what I am doing. Whoops. Up. There we go. Okay, so this is what I will do. Put my picture in the corner. Like I said, you can go to any background removal website, find a picture of yourself with like a clear background, take one with your phone. It's easy. Type in free background removal website, pop your pic in, download the PNG, pop it into Canva, which is free, or PicMonkey. Alright, so then I'll change these words or add them in, and I'll put let's draw Scooby. Alright, and then I'll find that picture of Scooby from earlier. I already have it. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the background here. I don't even think I need all those words. Maybe not, actually. And I think I'm going to do a white background because it'll look better with this All right, so something like this. Let's make that a little, and I lied, I am going to keep some words. I'm going to put let's draw, just let's draw. And why is my head so big? Let me shrink down a little bit. Oh, move. Okay, let me shrink myself down, and we're really going through this because I want to be thorough, show you all how I do this step by step. You can be skipping through. You don't have to watch every single step. So next up, I will, let's just put, let's draw. I'll draw with me. And I'm going to make that a color that can be actually seen. Alright, so then I will save. If you don't have PicMonkey, you can take a screenshot. I have PicMonkey. I'm just not logged onto my account right now because all of my saved images are on here. But okay, like I said, I'm just gonna save this image, file save, Scooby. I'm gonna go into edit the class, go back to the image here. You can do a video if you like. Snapchat has some pretty cool filters that you can mess around with as far as videos go. Alright, so I'm just going to, cannot find, oh, quick access. Alright, add my picture. There it is. I'll make the adjustments as needed. Did it a little low. I like to normally have it all lined up, so I'd probably make sure that was centered. I'd probably bring this down, this Scooby, and make it centered, and then have my face more in the corner. But anyways, for video purposes, this is what I have so far for the class image. Draw with me. All right, from here, I will just hit request listing, and we are good to go. All right, and that is how you add a class, how I add my classes. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you sign up with my link if you want help with the process of getting hired. I, along with my sister, have helped 3 friends now get hired with Outschool, and they're all doing pretty well. So, like I said, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and don't forget to use that link for those who are just getting on with Outschool. Other than that, thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time, everybody.